What if Earth collided with Mars? It's a scenario straight out of science fiction, but let's imagine the unimaginable. How would such a catastrophic event unfold? And what would be the consequences for our planet, the red planet, and everything in between? To understand this, we first need to consider the vast distances and the gravitational forces at play in our solar system. Earth and Mars orbit the Sun at an average distance of about 225 million kilometers apart. A collision would require a drastic change in their orbits, likely caused by an immense gravitational disturbance, such as a rogue planet or a massive celestial event. As the planets draw nearer, the gravitational pull between them would cause massive tidal forces. These forces would trigger unprecedented geological activity on both worlds. Expect supervolcanoes to erupt, massive earthquakes to shake the lands, and tsunamis of unimaginable scale to sweep across the oceans. The very crust of Earth and Mars would begin to crack and shift under the stress. Astronomers and scientists would have weeks, maybe months, to prepare for the inevitable collision, but the impact on human life would be catastrophic long before the actual collision. The combined gravitational forces of the approaching planets would cause devastating changes to Earth's climate, making survival increasingly difficult. Governments worldwide would scramble to build underground bunkers and shelters, but the question of survival would extend far beyond the immediate impact zone. With ecosystems collapsing, food and water supplies would become critical, leading to global panic and chaos. As Earth and Mars collide, the kinetic energy released would be beyond comprehension. The impact would create a massive shockwave, vaporizing large parts of both planets' crusts and sending molten rock and debris hurtling into space. This collision would generate temperatures hotter than the surface of the Sun, annihilating everything in the immediate vicinity. The aftermath of such a collision would be equally dire. The debris from the impact would form a new asteroid belt, and some of this debris could rain down on the remaining parts of Earth, causing further destruction. The combined mass of the two planets could potentially coalesce into a new, larger planetary body, but this new world would be a molten wasteland, devoid of any life as we know it. Any survivors on Earth would face a bleak future. The atmosphere would be filled with toxic gases, temperatures would be extreme, and the chances of rebuilding civilization would be slim to none. The rich history of both planets, the millions of years of evolution and development, would be reduced to a few traces in the new hostile environment. While this scenario is purely hypothetical, it underscores the fragility of our existence in the vast cosmos. It's a stark reminder of the forces at play in our universe and the importance of cherishing and protecting our home planet. Let's appreciate the delicate balance that keeps us safe and work together to ensure our planet remains a sanctuary for generations to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering what if.